Hello viewers, this is Palace Kiddies Craft. Today we'll be learning how to make a numeral cootie catcher. It can be used at fun time by children to play in this form. You open it sideways and open it, put it together, open again, close, open, put together, open again and close. Fold a square sheet of paper of dimension 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters in this form. Fold it, put a center crease, unfold and fold again. Then open up and begin to fold up the pointed sides to the center. Turn it upside down, fold again to the center. Okay. Draw and cut out hearts from this cream piece of colored paper. So write figures 1 to 8 on the cut out heart shapes and then arrange them onto the upper and the lower part of the cootie cutter. Apply glue and arrange all the numbers in this form. Flip it over. Apply glue and arrange the remaining numbers. Flip over and fold into 2 equal halves. Unfold and fold again into 2. So once you've gotten all the folds, so put it together, tuck your fingers, your right thumb and your right index finger into the 2 flaps by the right, and then by the left do the same thing. So put them together at the middle, open, close, open to the sides and close. So we have a nice cootie catcher for our children to play with. We open, 5, 6, close, open again, 7, 8, close. Hope you like the video. Thank you.